The Lancashire coast in the northwest of England is a superb location for a short-stay buy-to-let investment. Blackpool is one of the main attractions for the region, but there are many beautiful beaches up and down the coast, as well as surrounding areas of outstanding natural beauty. This brand new waterfront property overlooks the Irish Sea and the promenade in the popular tourist town of Cleveleys. The town is located less than 6 miles from Blackpool and offers investors the potential to earn yields up to 18% by renting out the property on the short-term let rental market. There are 1, 2 and 3-bedroom apartments available, with prices from £163,000, around 10% below market value. Completion of the development is on schedule for Q2 2025, when we'll be offering 3 years of free property management. As master agents, Portico Invest can help you secure the best prices, offer help with UK mortgage lenders, or setting up a limited company, provide a full property management service post-completion, and even develop a tailored strategy for building your portfolio. To get started or to find out the latest availability and pricing, register today and one of our investment team will be in touch.